Welcome back to Lori Can Do. I'm going to try to change out my dryer outlet. So let's get to it. There is a chance of getting electrocuted or dying, so please do this on your own risk. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel so I can make more content like this. Alright, let's get back to it. Before you do anything electrical, make sure to turn off the correct breaker. I turned off the dryer and the washer. You will need rubber gloves, flat screwdriver, wire stripper, voltage tester, and the 3-prong outlet for your dryer. I got mine at Lowe's for about $7, as you can see. I use Klein Tools non-contact voltage tester. They do require 2 AAA batteries that you need to buy separately. To turn on, you have to hold the red button until it lights up green. To verify there is no electricity in the outlet, it will light up green when you put it close to the holes in the bottom. If there is electricity, it will blink at you, as you can see here. I recommend testing your outlet first by doing this. It could be your dryer that is broken and not the outlet. Next, make sure to put on your rubber gloves before you even touch the outlet. Once you confirm that you turned off the correct breaker, you can take off the screws with a flat screwdriver. You should have your rubber gloves on already, but I forgot to do that in this step. Once the screws are off, you can use the flat screwdriver to pry off the cover. You need to remove the whole outlet, so go ahead and use your flat screwdriver to remove any screws. Use your flat screwdriver again to remove the outlet from the wall. I'm not a professional electrician, so what I did in this step was take a picture of this view so that I memorized where the cables go. But thankfully it wasn't too hard to distinguish. There were 2 thicker wires and 1 thin wire. This is the new outlet. So what you're trying to do is, you see these screws. Underneath them are tiny holes where you'll put the wires in the correct area and tighten the screws down to make contact to the wire. My husband got me this and I just wanted to show you how awesome it works. It is Skill's rechargeable cordless electric screwdriver. In this next step, I'm just loosening the screws from the original socket. With this screwdriver, all I have to do is turn the knob to the left in order to loosen the screw effortlessly off the wires. Time to put the new outlet on. The 2 thick wires go to the bottom 2 holes. The thin wire goes to the top L-shaped hole. In the next step, you'll see that I put the thin wire in the L-shaped outlet hole. Now I'm going to put the thicker wires in the 2 bottom holes. You can skip this step, but my wires were pretty old, so I just used a wire stripper to kind of strip off some of the metal on the wire. Once the wires are in the correct outlet holes, the next step is to secure them in place with the screws. You're almost done! Hopefully it works. Next, you want to put the outlet back into the wall and secure it into place. Align socket just right in order to screw it into place. After securing the outlet into the wall, you can turn on the breaker to check if it's working. But I was overcautious, so I put the cover back on first before testing my breaker to see if the socket worked. That sigh, y'all. Turn your washer and dryer breakers back on and test it out. It's alive! And it worked! You guys did it! Good job! If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know other tutorials you would like to see. Until next time, bye!